Welcome back. All right, let's say you got a laptop. You've had it for a little bit, and you're thinking, I probably should get a new one. Don't move, because Ryan is here to help.
Especially Ken's wife. You don't need a new laptop.
Thank you, Ryan.
He's gonna help us.
Again, you don't need one. Sorry. So that's done. We're complete. I can come on the show next week now, Ken said. So
Ken
that's
says,
good.
there you go. All right, so we're trying to increase the lifespan of our laptop because I feel like once you get one, it's like it's old news after 6 months.
If you're buying a PC, you can get some that are relatively inexpensive.
Yeah.
If you buy a Mac, you're going to be spending thousands of dollars.
Right.
You want to make it last longer. So
Exactly.
the first thing you don't want to do is get it off your lap.
Yes.
Because you need airflow to travel around and underneath it.
I know it's called a laptop, but that really...
Well, we call them notebooks now.
Notebooks,
Not laptops.
Okay.
And these two people, I just thought this was funny because this is a stock photo, but look, they're going to die because they got their laptops on their bed and on their laps. And
Wow.
Goodbye, hipsters, you're gone. Okay, so what you can do is get something like this. This is a little tray. This is really cool. Look, you can a little dock for your phone.
I love that it's got the dock. Yeah.
We found that on Amazon for $40.
Nice.
Buy that now. That's super cool. Okay, so most laptops still have the traditional hard drive with the little platter. And this reads the drive like this. If that little head there hits the drive, it can cause a scratch, and then all of a sudden you'll lose data. So you want to make sure that if you're going to close your laptop and start traveling with it, put it in sleep mode first. If you have a Mac, you're okay. You can just close it, and it automatically goes into sleep mode. Also, get a padded bag, something with lots of cushioning, so that way if it jostles around while you're in the airport or your kids smack into it, you're fine. We found this adorable bag for $20
Very cute.
on Amazon, so they're not expensive at all.
Okay.
Also, make sure you don't charge it all the time.
I am so guilty of that, leaving the charger on.
My mother-in-law is too, and she's always like, but you don't, if you leave it charging all the time, you're killing your battery. So a couple of times a week, just let it charge down to 10 or 20% and then recharge it. That'll kind of stretch your battery's legs a little bit. Also, it'll extend the life of that battery a lot longer. Here's some minor upgrades you can do, and I say minor because they're not really all that difficult. First thing you want to do is get a new hard drive. This is a solid-state drive by Samsung. Costs about $150 for 500 gigs on Amazon right now. Usually these can be done on your own. You can go to YouTube and check out little videos on how to do it. Also, replace your RAM. Now, a lot of the newer ones, super thin computers, unfortunately, they glue the RAM in so you can't upgrade them. So take a look at your manufacturer's website, see if RAM is possible to be upgraded. And if it can, go to crucial.com. They have a great little tool that'll show you what kind of RAM your laptop needs. You can buy it right there. And then go to YouTube, obviously, and check out the little stuff. Last but not least, replace that battery. Batteries don't last forever. And so if you're noticing your computer's being slow when it's not plugged in, put a new battery in there, but beware of cheap ones because they can explode. So, and also your warranty could get, expired or whatever if you use something that's not from the manufacturer. So you want to check your warranty and see how that works before you buy a new battery.
Generally the lifespan of a battery?
I would say if you've gone more than 2 years, get rid of it. Like on an iPhone now, we have to replace them every 10 minutes. That's like in the writing. Tim Cook wrote me a letter and said replace them all the time.
Good tips. There you go.
That'll make your laptop last forever, Ken's wife. I promise.
I know, right?
Forever. You never need a new computer ever. You're fine.
There you go. If you want to get in touch with Ryan,
saving money
guy right here. He's helping us save money all the time. You can check out, we've got Nerds on Call, link to ours, GoodDaySacramento.com. Back over to you.
He's trying to help the husband save money. That's all you're doing.
That's all he's doing.
Helping everybody save money.
Mine's plugged in right now.
I know, mine too. I keep mine plugged in all the time.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Ryan.